this is Sara here from Kendall Chevrolet GMC and Buick here in Eugene. Today I'm going to show you how to Bluetooth your phone to a brand new 2019 model. I'll make it simple, easy, and fun for you, so that way if your phone ever gets disconnected or you need help connecting it via Bluetooth, you have an easy guide. So the first thing that you need to make sure is that your vehicle is at a complete stop, whether it's in park or you just have your foot on the brake. If your vehicle is in motion, this will not work and it will not let you Bluetooth your phone. The next thing you need to do is here on your lovely console, you want to make sure you are on the home screen. From this home screen, you are going to hit phone and then connect phone. From there, you're going to click add phone, and then this screen will pop up there. That's what you need to do so far. From there, you're going to go to your mobile device. Today I'm using an iPad so that you guys can see everything. It's easy to find. You want to find this lovely icon right here on your iPhone, the settings, and you're going to click into there. From there, you're going to click Bluetooth, and then you're going to see devices that come up. Particularly, you will see My Chevrolet pop up here just like it displays on the screen. You're going to click My Chevrolet, and in theory it should connect. From there you will have access to call out, take incoming phone calls, play your music, and give simple commands to use like Apple Music, or you play on the radio and change all the stations. It's really easy. If you have any difficulties, you are more than welcome to call into the dealership and we'll walk it through it with you, or stop by and visit us and we'll help you pair your phone for you. Thanks again, and come visit us at Kendall Chevrolet, GMC, and Buick.
Kendall, let's start something great.